an egg. And this is what happens when you drop an egg. Looks like that. I'm gonna change that. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment saying that you subscribed, and I will personally write back. Now back to the video. We're gonna have to pretty much get the layer of the eggshell off. In a few seconds you'll see the research. But we'll just take a lot of vinegar. And we're gonna throw the egg inside. So that should hopefully make the egg bounceable. Let's switch. And add this egg. Okay, we have 2 eggs. They float. Eggs do not float. Imagine this being the egg and this being the eggshell. And the eggshell is made out of something called calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate and the vinegar create a chemical reaction, which makes the bubbles. This chemical reaction basically gets rid of the calcium carbonate, leaving a soft membrane behind. So 2.5 hours later, this is what it looks like. A little bit later. Okay, so it has been 24 hours. Hope you guys can see this really well. Let's take these eggs out and oh my god. These, oh, it looks like this one popped.
We have an explosion.
Anyway, we have 1 egg. That is good. I'm glad I did 2 eggs. It bounces. It actually bounces. We made a bouncy egg. Yeah! We actually have a bounceable egg. Okay. This is a bounceable egg. Oh! Oh. Anyway, let's just clean this up. There we go. Okay, all clean. But this is the shell of the egg. So normally an egg is very hard. So a normal shell definitely doesn't flex like this. So we definitely have a bouncy egg. And yeah, that's it. Dad, can you stop the recording? Somebody? I don't want my eggy hands to touch my phone. Dog found. Leave a comment saying that you subscribed, and write I subscribed in the comment section, and I will personally write back to you.